Hi everyone, it's nearly Christmas. I'm so excited and I thought that I would just do a little bit of a Christmas tour today. I have promised that I would do a Christmas tour. Just a little disclaimer though, and that is that I haven't put out as much as I have done in previous years because I just wanted it to be a bit more simple, and I just sort of had in my mind that actually I'm going to have to put all of this away again. So yes, I've got a few things out and I thought I'd just share them with you. Ollie's in the other room watching Home Alone 2. He's already watched Home Alone 1, so he's loving it and laughing his head off, so it's really sweet and lovely. So we've got a little Christmas movie on. I'm really behind with other things, but you know what? I just feel really Christmassy today because my exam's over and it went really well, and I can just give in to it all and just have fun with, you know, all the Christmas celebrations and the fun things that we are going to be doing. So with all that said, I'm just going to show you my Christmas decorations. So firstly, I am just going to show you my Christmas wreath on the door. This was very much a homemade DIY job from a wreath form that I've had for about 10 years, and I just pushed the foliage into it, very, very simple, and then added a few extra berries, and that was it for the front door. Moving on. This is my mantelpiece, and this was in my Goodwill challenge for Christmas video, which I will link. And very simply, I have got my lovely big candlesticks, I've got my little lanterns, and in here is the little scene that I made with Emily. Really enjoyed doing that. I've only got one of these Mercury trees left. The other, I had 3 and 2 have been broken, so I've only got 1 left, never mind. And then I've got a couple of another of these lovely white houses that I love. We have got tons of stockings. We've now got, I think we've got 7 now. They won't all get filled up, but my friend has given us a couple of extra stockings. Of course, Emily absolutely loved that one, had to have that one. I think she thinks that if she puts up more stockings, she might get more presents, but I have explained it doesn't quite work like that. And then just simply on the sofa, I changed out the throw. So I normally have like a duck egg blue throw on here on this sofa, but I've got this throw. I actually picked it up in a charity shop, but it's a Laura Ashley Marciana throw. It's actually back to the front, so this should be the front of it, but it gives off a lot of fibres. So I've turned it the other way around, and actually I really like that, and just giving it a little bit of a Christmassy feel. And that's really it in this room. Going through to the dining room. If you've been following me for a while, you remembered that this was the room where the ceiling fell down. So all is well, and all is put back together, and all is forgotten. So in here on my beautiful light fitting, and if you're wondering, I got this from Wayfair online, and I can't remember, I think it was about £70 in the end. And what I liked about it is it's actually not too heavy, even though it's only on, you know, 1 ring, and actually that is going into a beam. It was not very heavy, which is what I liked. And I've just hung up some of these really pretty decorations, and they just catch the light and look really, really beautiful. We've obviously got our advent candle on the table, and we haven't done very well with burning it. We're a little bit behind, but the numbers actually go all the way down to the bottom, so I'm actually sort of slowed down on purpose. And I have to have the Radio Times. I mean, that was this week's, and then I've got the next bumper issue, and we go through it and we highlight with pens so we know what we want to watch. And that's kind of a really silly sort of Christmas tradition that we have. We have to have the Radio Times. We don't have it any other time of year. And then on this mirror, I've just got a really pretty homemade decoration with the angels and the hearts and a little tree. I just love it. It's so simple. All I did is I got some pretty sort of gaudy these, and I just spray painted them with the bronze spray, and then just tied them up and then hung the decorations on, and actually I'm really pleased with that. The decorations, it came in a pack and they were only £1.99 from the range, so that was a bargain. And then on the other wall, I've just got our Christmas cards. I hang them up with, on the rail up here on the architrave, I've got some of these hooks that I've got, just one over here and here, and I just string the cards just sort of to keep them out of the way. But I actually love stringing the cards. I love the look of them. I just think they're really beautiful, so I like to make a little decoration out of them. Now over in my hallway, so this is the wreath that's obviously on the front of the door, and then on this mirror I've got some more of those really beautiful decorations. I also got these from the range. They were only about £1.99 each, and I've strung them on different lengths of silver and glittery string off the mirror. And then I've got some really pretty foliage and some little pine cones on the foliage at the top, and this is real foliage. I went out and picked some of that a couple of weeks ago, and it still looks really, really nice just off the mirror. Very, very simple. And then over on my little table here, I've just got a little display. So I've got a lantern with some berries and just a little charger plate that was only £1 from the range last year, and this beautiful, beautiful candle that I actually got from my friend. And we all go out for a meal, the three of us, every few weeks, so I always think of my friends when I look at this candle holder. It's really beautiful. It comes out at Christmas, but sometimes I just leave it out all winter, particularly if I'm burning candles. It's lovely to have them in there. And then I've got one of these really nice candles, a Wickford & Co candle. So I actually picked this one up from Home Bargains, which I don't go to very often, but I went with my friend Sharon, and it smells absolutely beautiful, and I've been burning it for a while, and you can't actually really tell that I've used an awful lot, but it smells delicious. Finally, I just want to show you the sitting room. So here's our tree. I've started putting some presents underneath the tree today. Emily helped me decorate that, and I'll link that video down below. Over on the mantle, I've just got some really simple garland which has been pre-lit with a couple of really pretty silver candles, and the only other thing is that I've got my nice Christmas pillow over here on the sofa. So yeah, very, very simple in this room this year. I didn't want to have too much clutter in here, lots and lots of decorations. I wanted it to be really simple. Okay. And here is a shot of my decorations at night. I think they look really, really pretty. Thank you all for watching. As I said, nothing is Pinterest worthy. This is just a little tour of my home. Everything has been very, very simple this year, and I just wanted to share. So I want to say a really big Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of my subscribers, and thank you so much to all of you for subscribing, to just following me, to supporting me, and thank you for your lovely comments. You just don't know how much it means to me when you reach out and you get in touch with me and leave me comments, and I get to know you. It means so much to me, so thank you. And if you are not a subscriber, then I'd love to have you. So click on the subscribe button and enjoy joining my little extended family. So I will see you in my next video. It might be in 2019 because I'm going to have a busy Christmas, but Merry Christmas to you all, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.